Hello, my name is Bob and I like to party.
La cucaracha, ya no puede caminar, porque le falta, porque no tiene dinero para gastar. The little cockroach, I saw him just the other day. I like him best when he takes his things and he gets his friends and moves away.
Hi, my name is Molly Cool and I live in the air. When I play my guitar, it makes sound waves.
La cucaracha.
Little molecules get pushed by the sound waves and bump into other molecules. They keep bumping around until some of them reach a person's ear. Inside the ear, molecules bump into the eardrum that pushes on 3 tiny bones. These bones make the vibration stronger and pass it to the part of the ear called the cochlea. The cochlea is filled with water, so vibrations turn into waves. Little carpeters inside the cochlea catch those waves and translate them into electric signals that are passed to the brain. The brain then decodes the signal and recognizes the sound.
La cucaracha.
And that's what I know about sound. Bye-bye! Bye-bye!